This is Zohar Pshat, day 289. When Lamed Beis, Lamed Beis, will take it right from the top. See, V'azu B'nai Yisrael Hashem, it says that B'nai Yisrael left Hashem in time to Shoftim, Adas is Devorah, until the Devorah came, Unedivos loan, and she was gracious to them. That's in Parakeh, Pasuk Beis. Before Pa'os B'Yisrael, B'Yisnadev Am Baruch Hashem. So it says here, Bahai Divason Bahai Kamal see before Prosti so Vigoimer say Amber Hashem. In those Devorah devoted herself, she bestowed of herself in order to reconnect the Yonim Tachtonim, and this is really going with the idea that bris is abstract. Not so much the bris itself, although we're going to refer to it, but the connection, because Devorah is obviously a woman, so the bris is not directly relevant to her, but she was mechadish this bris. And this it says that the pirazon, meaning the scattering of the shefa, stopped in Am Yisrael because the connection was severed. Chalu pirazon do pirazon kamra. That's the scattering of the shefa from above below. As we said, it stopped. Chalu pirazon kain kadisha. The kodesh stood still. Lois parul because they had no priya. Okay, again, the priya is in the milah is connects the above and below, and there was no priya. And obviously here it's metaphorical; it's not literal. It means that there was no connection because bnei Yisrael azvu es Hashem. They left azu bnei Yisrael es Hashem. So when it's Hashem, there was no connection. So at shakamti dvorah until Devorah arise, shakamti em Yisrael. That's also in the Shir Devorah. Oh, shakamti aim. Oh, that's already a Kabbalistic concept. Imoy law, right? My aim. What is the aim? The aim here, as it says, Mimoy law v'zeu shakamti. I arose and got brought down from the law, which is, of course, Bina on high, from the top, the hay above, that it should connect with the hay below. So Devorah rose. Shakamti aim Yisrael. My aim el ananachtis maini loim ela. I brought down the water from on high down here below. The kaima am Yisrael, to sustain the world with Am Yisrael. Sasam ela v'tata. It was initially closed up above and below. Lachzor la'alma. So then she showed the world. Devorah came and showed the world. To show rather the Alma Leiskayim. To show the Alma Leiskayim Elakaimada. It's only sustained by this connection which Devorah reestablished. Then this Kaima is the bris. V'raza Kula, and the secret of all of it is that Tzadik Yisrael. Tzadik is financial world. Ksiv. It says Tlas Nafke Michad. The Tzitzaros explains three come out of one. Perish Gedula Gevurah Tiferes come out from Bina. So all these things come Gedula Gevurah Tiferes Chesed Gevurah Tiferes come down from Bina. Even that's not coming down without Devorah. It's not just the Yesod. It's not connecting, but there is, when Am Yisrael is not doing what's Hashem, all these things retreat. They go up and there's no shefa. There's a hester upon him. So there is this idea that the three come out of one. They come out of the Imoy law, out of Bina. And then one comes with the power of three, and Nitzitzer explains Yesod comes from Gedula Gevurah Tiferes. Right? So, but Yesod itself, it's lower down. So I think that it's the Tiferes itself, and it's hard to say it's Yesod. The Tiferes comes down to the next level, and Al Bain Train, it comes between the two. So that's between Netzach and Hod. So the Tiferes comes between Netzach and Hod. Train Yankin Lechana, those two, they give the nourishment to one, to the Yesod. And Chad the Kamasitra, and then the one, the Yesod, bestows that on nourishment on many sides, which of course is Malchus. So this is connected by Devorah, who was the Bechina of Tzadik Yisod Olam in her generation, and brought the bris back between heaven and earth. And then everything is one. Although the Chassidut says, "Vayer v'avoker yom echad." Here, erev avoker means the erev avoker kol kachado. The erev and boker connected together. The representing the boker, the or, and the erev, the choshech, they're all connected. Hainu raza the bris yom b'laylo. There's a covenant going back today. The yom b'laylo, in other words, the flow is intact. Uveiku echad, and now everything is one. And that's the what the tzaddik does, or the tzaddikus in this case, brings back the unity which was disrupted. And now, again, the metaphorical priya, it's not literal here, is the connection which the tzaddik makes between Elyonim and Tachtonim.